Hello, my name is Kelsey Mann, and this is my Mod 1 introduction for AEP 858. I have been married to my high school sweetheart for 4 years now, and we have a 2-year-old daughter named Kaylee. We also have a 3-year-old dog named Major, who's a Border Collie mix. In my spare time, I like to foster dogs from a rescue here in town, and I also am the event coordinator for that rescue. My background is I've been born and raised in Junction City, Kansas, and that is where I met my husband in high school. I am a Wichita State graduate, and while I was in college in Wichita State, I threw javelin on the track team. This will be my 5th year teaching kindergarten here in Junction City. I taught 4 years on base, and last year was my first year off post at Spring Valley Elementary. For my work environment, I am at Spring Valley Elementary now, and it is 80% military still. We have 3 kindergarten classes per grade level, which is a big difference. On base, there was 6 kindergarten classes. My class size is 20 to 25, but last year I was consistently at 24 students. We are a 6A school with 14 elementary schools, 2 middle schools, 1 on base, 1 off, a freshman success academy, and 1 high school. Our district uses the pre-loss assessment to give a baseline for our kindergarten students, but my school also uses this assessment to help us place kids in classrooms. We do this so that one teacher is not overloaded. We make sure that we have a even mix of high, medium, and low students academically in all classes, as well as the social, emotional behaviors spread out as well. This year we will be starting a new assessment and it's called Ages and Stages, and I will be getting trained on this in August, but the little bit of training that I've had is I've figured out that it is a questionnaire that the parents fill out that gives the teachers in the school and the state an idea of where their child is at academically, fine and gross motor skills, as well as social skills. My district uses Engage New York and iStation for our district assessments. And I struggle with these assessments in kindergarten because, for example, iStation, my 5-year-olds have a really hard time focusing on a computer that long. They get bored and they get distracted. They'll, be uh, playing with something or talking to their friend, and they'll just be clicking answers on the game to complete it instead of actually listening to the questions. So I do not feel like the iStation test is a true representation of where my kids are academically. I feel like I get a better, accurate um, assessment from them with our interview style one-on-one assessments that we typically do in kindergarten. In my classroom, I use classroom observations and the Success for All checklist to create my MTSS groups and my reading partnerships in my classroom. SFA is our reading curriculum that we do, and we also use that assessment to determine if students are on grade level or not. SFA skills checklists are letter sound mastery, letter name mastery, blending, and phonemic awareness. My plan is to continue to grow and learn throughout my whole career as a teacher, and I plan to do that by learning from this course, by reading the literature that is provided, as well as extra literature that I see from my principal and my library media specialist at my school. But my favorite way to learn is by reflecting on others' experiences and especially their comments through this course, and I collaborate with my team all the time. I feel like that is my biggest strength is listening to others and learning from their experiences. So I can't wait to learn from all of you guys. Thank you.